taking a look at this Munchkin Nightlight and Projector. It's a white noise machine, a nightlight, and image projector, and it's really interesting. It's feature packed. It's plastic, and you can get them in a couple of different colors. When you turn on the nightlight up front here, it comes out the bottom and it kind of glows. Now you've got sounds. You can just push one of the buttons around the sides. There's 6 different ones. Heartbeat, ocean, it's got some lullabies, it's got Mozart, it's got white noise, and then rain. You can turn them all off. There's also a volume up here. You can make them quite a bit quieter. You've got a timer for 15, 30, and 60 minutes, and then there's a projector. So up here you've got a projector, and it's kind of hard to show you with the lights on, but you can imagine it's going to project up, and what happens is there's once it's engaged, you've got a disc that's moving, and it's going around like a record player in there, and you'll slowly see that moon in the picture move out of the rotation. So there's a little gear, and this thing is going to slowly move around and project this different picture on the wall. Now, if there's a kind of a trick to it, if you have a picture that you want to just stay, you can just pull back on the lock and it'll disengage the motor and it'll just stay on whatever picture is there. What's neat is on the back of the machine there's a couple of other discs that have different, here's like a jungle set with monkeys and the underwater set. So you've got an underwater, a space, and a jungle cartridge, and these cartridges stow in the back of the machine. They fit in up front, lock them into place, turn them on, and project either against the wall or a ceiling or any light colored surface. And you've got a nightlight, you've got that projector. Oh, the other feature that's neat is you can turn on voice activation. I've had that turned on here and it keeps turning it on randomly. Now if it hears noise in the room, it'll automatically go to whatever the last sound you were using and the projector. So it'll hear it and just go into the mode that you last set it at. You can always turn those off and turn off the nightlight. Hope this helps.